are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
So a lot of you have ham for Easter, and a lot of you pay $100, no lie, probably even higher now, for a ham from the Honey Baked Ham Company. So I decided to do a video to show you how to cut corners, take a $22 ham, how to apply some ingredients, make it just as good, if not better. So let's get started. Come in close. I'll show you what you need. We're going to save you some money. We bought this ham spiral cut. Sometimes it comes with seasoning and honey packets. You can toss that crap away and make your own. Okay? So that's exactly what we did. Sometimes you can just buy a spiral cut ham. So we bought this. We got some pineapple juice, some brown sugar right here, some Dijon mustard, and some raw honey. Any kind of honey. But we got a thing of raw honey. Okay, you're going to pop this in the oven, 325, until this meat reaches 140 degrees. Roughly 10 to 12 minutes per pound. And then we're good to go. Then we'll show you, while this is warming up, we'll show you how to make the glaze. Okay, I forgot to tell you, the ham's in the oven. Loosely cover the ham with foil. That's all. So we don't want to burn the top or overcook the top. We're just trying to warm it up. There is a science to adding these ingredients. Any recipe. The stuff is probably going to stick to the walls. You want to add first. Then you can use the loose liquid to rinse and clean it out. Let me show you. Let's do the mustard first. Now, I'm sure not all the mustard's coming out of this measured amount. Okay? There's going to be some left. And by the way, why did I do mustard first? So I can bang on the bottom. See, it's not all coming out. Okay? So what we're going to do is, let me show you. We're going to take a little bit of pineapple juice. I'm sure you guys already know this. There we go. Get a little bit of liquid in there. Swirl it around for a while to kind of get more of the ingredients out from the mustard. I always put extra mustard in here so that if I don't get it all out, I'm okay still. All right. Then we take the honey, pour that in. Remember, we're making a double batch. The single batch is down below. Same thing with this bottle. You got honey in there you want to get out. Grab your pineapple juice. Put it all in there. There we go. Get the lid on securely. And shake away. Watch this as a chemical reaction. The whole thing explodes in the studio. No. Okay, we got most of it. You can pop the lid. You can always give it one more shake. Get all the last of the ingredient. My hand's all sticky now. There we go. Okay, brown sugar. This is all the same ingredients they're using at the store to charge you a lot. And it looks something like that. All right, guys. We heated the ham up to 140. It's now time to glaze it. Grab your brush and just brush it down. I'm going to try and use as much as possible. Get in between the layers. Give it a good push. All right. You want to get all over. Okay, guys. This smells amazing. It looks amazing. It's at temperature, ready to be eaten. It's beautiful. Looks just like the kind you buy. So let's give it a try. Oh, you caught me. I was going to sneak a piece. All right. Well, since you're watching, it smells good. A lot of juice in the pan. Be real careful. Have fun saving money. This is $22, maybe another 10 for the glaze ingredients. Way better than $100, okay? I got a piece here, ready to go. Here we go. That is so good. So let me tell you why I was laughing. I literally took a bite, and my mouth watered so much, I almost drooled all over me. That would have been way embarrassing. So, this is a home run, guys. Way easy. Took them maybe an hour or two to get it all taken care of. Most of it was in the oven. For Easter, I highly recommend this. Have fun with it. You could probably glaze a turkey with this too. It's so tasty. So, I love you guys. Thanks for sharing with me this recipe. Now it's time for you to try it. All right? I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.